Hello everyone, this is Danae. Assisted stretching with me is a dance between trust and release. A quiet duet where tension finds its way home. Hands meet limbs like breeze meets trees, gently urging branches to sway and not snap. It is a breath woven with intention, a conversation without words, where muscle remembers softness and joint sings songs of space. Here, the body is both sculpture and clay, shaped by touch, guided by grace, opening like morning petals to the sun of stillness.